Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another exciting daily work from home job lead. This one, you do not have to be on the phones. You are going to actually be reviewing the customer service representatives that are on the phones, their phone calls and emails, listening to them and taking notes and giving them feedback on things they can improve. So this is completely non-phone. The links to everything are in the description box below. And if you enjoy this job lead or any that I share, please like this video, as that gives me direct feedback that this is being helpful to someone. And please share with your friends and family so we can all be living our happiest, healthiest life working from home. But with that being said, the company B-Stock, they are hiring a quality monitoring specialist. Now, this is a full-time position. This is remote within the United States, and they're looking for someone who enjoys teaching people how to speak kindly to others and find creative solutions. So you'll perform a call monitoring of emails, phone calls, and chats of the customer experience and mediation teams. You'll score them and report on the agent performance accurately and efficiently. So you'll have guidelines that the agents are supposed to follow, and you'll go through and check their scorecard and make sure when you're listening to the call that they did all the things that they were supposed to do. You will provide a personalized coaching session to improve agent skills and customer experience. You'll use the quality monitoring data management system to help you compile and track performance over time. You don't want reps to continue to get bad grades. Maybe they always forget to ask the customer's name, or there is something they are supposed to do when they answer that phone that they are not doing. So you will help provide training to future quality monitoring specialists also. Now, this does not require any kind of college degree. They are looking for a high school diploma or GED, someone who has a positive attitude, can be hardworking and flexible, someone who has excellent written and verbal communication skills, someone who has high emotional intelligence and loves technology. Now, one thing to note, the job description did not list pay. That will have to be asked at the time of the interview. I did do a little bit of research and could not find the pay listed for a quality specialist. However, I am leaving this company's Glassdoor page linked down below. They do have great reviews. They have a 4.2 out of 5-star rating. So this link will be down there too if you want to do some additional research on the company. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave anything specific you're looking for down in the comments below, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.